Welcome to fun coloring time. Let's make a moving ladybug. Find a bottle cap and make 3 circles. Draw the head and the 2 antennas. Now make 2 little circles for eyes. Time to cut. Be careful. Fold both red circles in half. Use glue to put the pieces together. Do the same to the other side. Don't forget the eyes. Color some black spots. Glue the bottle cap to make the ladybug stick. Now get some Play-Doh on a little rock and place it in the bottle cap. Time to rock. Thanks for joining Fun Coloring Time.
Bye!